There goes Tiana.
Tiana, let's go!
The last row, see her? Waving.
Don't be scared! Don't be scared!
Are you scared for her?
Yeah.
Okay, what's gonna happen if it doesn't work out right?
How?
I don't know, if the roller coaster jumps off. Oh my god. Oh, there she goes. There goes Tiana Mick. Tiana Mick Chanel. Tiana Mick. Oh. Wow. That was Tiana.
Hold on. On the last row. On the last row.
Excuse me. How do you feel about your daughter on a roller coaster?
I'm scared for her.
Is it crazy that your little girl's on a roller coaster doing loop-de-loops?
Yeah.
What about you? How about your sister? What about him? What about her, huh? Is she okay? What about you? What do you think about your sister?
I think she's really scared and she screams. Ah!
All right, good. Thank you.